about the mess and the bad lighting, but I'm in the middle of doing cool stuff and I thought I'd show you, so this is a quick video. I really don't want to order new boxes for my business on Alibaba. Look, the less money I spend, the less money y'all spend on my products. So, in today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how I make this gorgeously embossed top. I know it's crooked, it's okay. For my boxes. Stay tuned. Okay, so for this video, like I said, pardon my mess, you're going to need embossing powder. I got mine on Amazon. I chose silver because it's my business color. A heat gun, color is your choice. I chose purple because it's my business colors. The stamp that you want to emboss, I had one made for my business. I can put a link in the description below. The Versamark ink pad, all I've seen are great flippin' reviews about it, so I got this exact one. And the material of your choice that you're going to be embossing. I am choosing the lid for my boxes for my jewelry. Okay, so I'm going to take the lid from my box and remove it. What I like to do, because my box is hollow, I like to take this little container I use to hold my charms, flip it upside down so it's solid, and put this right on top so I can do my stamping and it's a nice solid surface. So, before I do anything, I want to take a used dryer sheet, or a lot of people that I've seen do it use like an anti-static powdered pillow, and you wipe it all over this so you don't have extra pieces of silver stuck where you don't need it. Well, embossing powder stuck where you don't need it. So then I'm going to take my custom stamp, stick it in my Versamark here. The problem I have here is that I push it down really hard to get the letters, and then the edges also get in there, so I'm not really sure how this will come out, but each one's a surprise. I'm going to stick it on here, push down really hard, lift it up. I got most of the words. It's trial and error, you guys. And then I'm going to take my embossing powder and cover the whole image. And you want to do it fairly quickly so that your ink doesn't dry. I'm not going to close my embossing powder yet because I need to take this powder and I'm going to put it on this sheet of paper, which I've already folded in half, so I can put it back into my embossing powder case. So, look at that image. But we are not done yet. I like to cover this so it doesn't dry out. So I cover my Versamark and I put this back in the container as much as possible and put the lid on it. And then I'm going to grab my heat gun and I'm going to show you guys what I do next. Alright, so now I'm going to heat up this embossing powder. And there you have it, a perfectly embossed lid, saving me and you money. 'Cause I wanna say goodbye.